Hello friends, today we will start with conjunctions. What are conjunctions? A conjunction is a word that joins two or more words, phrases or clauses. We will study here about coordinating conjunctions, example for, and, nor, but, or, yet and so. And with this we are going to complete our exercises. This is exercise number 1. We have to fill in the blanks with the coordinating conjunctions. One has been done for you. Second, Vipul has scored poor grades, yet he was cheerful. Third, the thieves ran away with the jewels and the police could not track them. Fourth, the parents were happy for the daughter had set up her own clinic. Fifth, he was wealthy but he did not extend a helping hand to the poor. Sixth, it was raining, so we did not go out. Seventh, Naveen pleaded with his mother to forgive him, but she paid no heed. Eighth, Garima enjoys dancing, but her sister finds it a waste of time. Now, in another exercise, we have to join. There are two sentences are given, and we have to join with coordinating conjunction. The first has been done for you. We will come to the second one. The parents were worried they had no news of their daughter. The parents were worried for they had no news of their daughter. Third, Vinod had won the painting competition. He was delighted. Vinod had won the painting competition, so he was delighted. Fourth, Shreya had hurt herself. She was cheerful. Shreya had hurt herself, but she was cheerful. Fifth, Meeta wanted to go on a trip with her friends. She was not given permission. Meeta wanted to go on a trip with her friends, but she was not given permission. Sixth, shall we start the meeting? Should we wait for Akhil? Shall we start the meeting or should we wait for Akhil? Seventh, Vikram had lost his job. He was not depressed. Vikram had lost his job, but he was not depressed. Eighth, they didn't submit the project yesterday. They didn't submit it today either. They didn't submit their project yesterday and they didn't submit it today. Another kind is subordinating conjunctions. It could be that, if, whether, when, whenever, before, after, since, till, while, where, wherever, because, since, as, so that, such that, lest, if, unless, though, although, even, as, then, as if. With this we are going to jump on the exercise C, and here we are going to join these two pairs of sentences using subordinate conjunctions. Hint has been given in the bracket and we have to use that hint. First one has been done for you. We will come to the second one. Second, he will not submit the work in time. He must be given a warning. So he will not submit the work in time unless he must be given a warning. Third, the thieves had made off with the stolen jewels after the police arrived. Fourth, the daffodil is as bright as the sun. We are given here two sentences. The daffodil is bright, it is like the sun, and we have been given the hint as. So we will use like this: the daffodil is as bright as the sun. Fifth, the clerk beamed with joy because his leave had been sanctioned. Sixth, he speaks arrogantly as if he is the leader of the group. We will cut he thinks. In its place, we will put as if. Seventh, the deer hid itself lest the tiger see it. We are going to cut it did not want and also to. 8. The sales were not good. The shopkeeper was not discouraged. In the bracket we are given although. So we will make the sentence like, although the sales were not good, the shopkeeper was not discouraged. Now we will come to correlative conjunctions. Neither nor, either or, both and, not only, no sooner. We will come to exercise D and we will fill this with correlative conjunctions. First one has been done for you. Second one, Seema is good at both singing and choreography. Third, either Rohan or Rohit will attend to this work. Fourth, no sooner did the children see the bearded stranger than they started running. Fifth, never had we seen such a show as the one that was put up yesterday. Sixth, the crossword was so easy that Reena solved it in no time. Seventh, hardly had the teacher asked a question when Kirti stood up to answer. And last one, nobody could prove either the information was correct or not. With this we come to the last exercise. Here we have to join these pairs of sentences using correlative conjunction, and the hint is being given in the brackets. First one has been done for you. We will come to the second one. He does not speak French. He does not speak German. He speaks neither French nor German. Third, Aditi is a teacher. Aditi is a basketball coach. Aditi is not only a teacher but also a basketball coach. Fourth, we reached the market. It started raining. Hardly we reached the market when it started raining. Fifth, Meeta will study engineering. Meeta will study medicine. Meeta will study either engineering or medicine. Sixth, the thief snatched the woman's purse. She started screaming for help. No sooner the thief snatched the woman's purse than she started screaming for help. Seventh, Preeti sat down to dinner. The doorbell rang. Scarcely Preeti sat down to dinner when the doorbell rang. And last one, it was very humid. We switched on the air conditioner. It was so humid that we switched on the air conditioner. With this we have completed with conjunctions, and I would like to hear the comments in the comment section if there is any problem.